So I had bought one of these Ninja Foodies, not for the pressure cooker or any of that. I bought it because there's an air fryer, and I was never a fan of the air fryer, but apparently this thing has the pressure cooker and all the other shoe shine on here. I do got an Instant Pot right here. I got a microwave and I got a rice cooker. So I'm gonna take the rice cooker out and I'm gonna take out the Instant Pot, and then I'll just replace it with this thing. And I still got my stove, because you gotta have the cast iron still. So yep, gotta cook in the truck because we don't eat fast food trash or any of that garbage that they got going on at the truck stops. You know, invest in one of these things, or like one of these things right here, cheap at Walmart. Buy a pan, get a microwave, get a rice cooker or whatever. So quit being lazy, drivers.